Are you a Christian? If so, are you hungry? Are you so hungry for the kingdom of God that you're not willing to wait until you go to it? Instead, you're determined to try to bring it to you? If you're determined to make the earth become just as it is in heaven, then join your efforts with other like-minded Christians through the Kingdom Project app. Through the app, users can share best practices with each other about how to get a kingdom project done. The Kingdom Project might involve education, community, health, children, marriages, finances, church life, and so much more. The app allows users to share their experiences while allowing others to learn. Through the Kingdom Projects app, users can extend their influence, lengthen their reach, and connect with others around the globe. So get your Kingdom Project on the map. See whether your project has influenced others around the world, and rejoice that the Lord, through technology, is still using His saints to meet others' needs. Download Kingdom Projects app today and become a part of something that is bigger than yourself.